Welcome to another Iron Menace update, number 3, on December 8th, 2023, filmed December 7th, 2023. Today we're going to be showcasing the track that is being prepped on site of Iron Menace and how the ride has gone vertical beyond a station platform and brake run. The lift hill is officially up, which is really exciting. Piece 3, 4, and 5, lift hill portions are now up, and there are 2 supports holding them up, which is really exciting because the ride is already about 110, 115 feet tall right now, and maybe about 130. I couldn't tell, but it was very high. I was actually standing on Demon Drop yesterday, looking around completely at the top, seeing how it gauged in height, and they were very similar. We can most likely expect the ride will top off next week, and I will be sure to be there to showcase it for you guys. But we can see actually the top of the track in these clips right here. This is the crest of the lift hill, and then the drop portion, which will be the hanging function of the dive coaster. And you can see how tight it is at the top. That is going to be a very tight drop, which means lots of airtime for all of us airtime fans. I'm betting the ride will hit completion by middle to end of January. With the rate this is going every week, they're getting further. And if by middle of January they're already at the tilted loop, this thing could be completed very, very soon, which is impressive. Because my home park Great Adventure, the Flash, has not gone vertical yet. And then Dorney Park over here is going super fast for a B&M. So congrats to everyone at Dorney Park on the fast construction progress, and enjoy some of these clips. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed some clips to music. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section down below. I'll see you guys next week for when Iron Menace tops off, and enjoy the rest of your day.